presidential results. It is important to emphasize that the collation in all centers were proceeding in accordance to lay down guidelines as enshrined in CI 127 before the supporters entered into our constituency collation centers. There was therefore no reason or justification for the call to supporters to besiege the collation centers. That call, in the view of the Commission, was calculated to disrupt the processes and mar the seamless and effortless electoral processes that had commenced from the start of the polls at 7 a.m. that Saturday, the 7th of December. In the view of the Commission, the directive to the supporters to besiege the constituency collation centers was targeted at destroying documentary evidence, that is pink sheets, ballot papers, results collation forms, and computers, and to erase and wipe out all documents to be used for the collation. Thankfully, action of our properties. Our staff have been threatened, and the established collation processes as guided by law have been disrupted, and winners have been declared without due processes governing. A number of instances, our staff have been threatened with death and forced to declare outcomes without adhering to the processes governing collation. It is instructive to note of police presence at our regional offices. The collation process was once again disrupted and taken over by political party leaders and supporters, and the results declared for both constituencies without due process being followed. In the case of this as illegal, those declarations as well as others that have gone on in other constituencies will not be upheld by the Commission. Police Service once again to re-examine errors to protect its staff as well as its electoral collation process. Following the engagement with the police, it was agreed that the Tesano Police Depot would use the collation center for all outstanding collations, including Ableku